In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in beehiiv. To get started, open beehiiv and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. From there, click on Newsletter. This section is where you manage the content and layout of the newsletters you want to send, so it's the right place to begin when creating a new one. Once you're in the newsletter area, stay on the left-hand menu and click on Template Library. The template library is where beehiiv stores the different newsletter layouts you can use. This is helpful because it gives you two different ways to build your newsletter. You can either start completely from scratch if you want full control, or you can use a pre-designed template to save time and give yourself a strong starting point. Next, go to the top right corner and click New. When you do that, beehiiv will give you a choice. You can select blank or template. If you choose blank, you'll start with an empty newsletter layout, which is ideal if you already know exactly how you want your newsletter to look and prefer to build it piece by piece. If you choose template, you'll be able to begin with a ready-made design, which can make the process much faster and easier, especially if you want a polished look without building everything manually. If you decide to use a template, the next step is to browse through the available options and choose the one you want to use for your newsletter. Take a moment here to pick a layout that fits the style and purpose of your content. For example, some templates may feel more minimal and clean, while others may be better for content-heavy updates. Choosing the right one at the beginning can make editing much smoother. After you make your selection, beehiiv will take you directly into the editor. This is where you can start customizing the newsletter by changing the content and adjusting the design. You can update text, refine the layout, and make the newsletter match the tone and branding you want. If you started from a template, think of it as a foundation that you can personalize. If you started from blank, this is where you build everything from the ground up. And that's all there is to it. Once you reach the editor, you're ready to create your newsletter exactly the way you want inside beehiiv.